textbook. In the bucket again. Can't wait to get in the bucket again. All right, forgive my voice today, folks. I'm a little bit sick, and before you comment anything, I'm not sick all the time. People comment, Jake's always sick. I get sick like once a year. I'm a normal person, and I still film anyways. I don't get sick all the time. You saw a video a year ago where I was sick.
I don't get sick. I'm the perfect human now.
That's true. Yeah. I get sick like once a year, okay? And every time I get sick, Jake's always sick. And I'm tired of tracking down those commenters and fighting them.
Knocking on
I
the
don't
door.
want to fight anymore.
Guess who's back?
You said I'm always sick?
Yeah.
How about a knuckle sandwich?
Got the neighborhood watch coming out.
Do we need to fight him, Aaron?
I think all this knuckle sandwich talk is inspiring.
He said he watches my YouTube, so you don't have to fight him.
You don't know what he comments.
Yeah, he could be one of those sick guys.
Just as a grown-up, asking somebody if they want to fight would be so funny. I'm gonna be doing big pieces.
Ideally, if you went up and just lowered the tops onto themselves, that'd be so sick. It's all about this big piece talk. Getting it ready for the big pieces you're gonna take?
When I said big pieces, I meant I'm gonna cut it really small.
Good old classic opposite day.
Yeah, I'm in the bucket because Randy was too scared of my harness. He acts like we're different sizes.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to grab that piece.
Yeah, you're pretty selective today.
Yeah, I'm good. Very good.
How they grab branches that are 8 feet long?
Yeah,
The
I only
diameter
grab
of
the
3
big
inches.
branches.
It's always annoying trying to get your little bucket hole because you have to cut everything so small to get in there. It's funny, that guy that walked out here, he was like, I watch you on YouTube. I was like, oh, cool. He's like, you're just trimming, right? I was like, no, it's coming down. He looks bummed, and I was just thinking, like, I thought you said you've seen my YouTube.
Yeah, do you not watch
Have you ever
what I
seen me
do?
trim a tree?
My name's not guilty of trimming.
Dude, that's a good one. Honestly, dude, I'm gonna reach a lot of this tree.
So what you're saying is you don't need Pappy to hop out
I don't know.
and climb it out.
I
Did I refer to myself as Pappy?
Let me go see. Yeah. I mean, you're kind of old
For a tree guy,
for
right?
a tree guy. I think I can definitely reach this old tree. Sorry, Randy. Got presents for you.
Is it a pizza?
Close.
Or we got,
I got this in the mail yesterday. Hi Jacob, I really enjoyed watching your videos and would like to formally induct your team into the Clipboard Hall of Fame and provide them with clipboards I custom make in my shop. Mine is Isaac, of course. You may want to hold off on Flav's grand clipboard until he passes his CDL. You can tell him you had it custom made for him, which I did.
Thank you so much.
Randy's
dude.
clipboard can be the thickest one of the bunch, so he can hold all the bills he's gonna have with that second house. You can use yours to smack late-paying customers with, might be a bad idea there. Seriously though, thanks for all the videos you guys create. I always learn something new. Have been enjoying the awesome performance of my jiggly dog chainsaw. Take care and stay safe. Lou Bush, bushbunch.com, youtube.com/Lou, just Lou. This one's yours, it's the thickest.
Thanks, Lou.
Yeah. I don't know, you got a preference?
Whatever you want. This is really sweet.
So, in honor of Lou, I'm gonna do this whole job with the clipboard in my hand. This is cool, dude. I can't wait to just, I mean, this is my life now.
My identity.
You gotta give me the thickest one. We'll always remember that. I didn't cut the whole branch. That's going on the clipboard.
Going on the clipboard.
Oh, hung up. Put that on the clipboard.
You've got to mark that down.
Yeah. I grabbed two, but I'm holding it.
I grabbed two big flames. One, let me mark that down.
I'm gonna have to give myself a check mark. Only grabbed one branch.
I like that Isaac didn't get one too. Dude, if I found out that he sent one to Isaac, I'd freak out.
Honestly, that was my favorite part of this whole letter.
The tipping point in Randy's life.
The clipboard changed it all, dude.
I think things are going to be different now.
Hit the wire.
Something about you is just commanding all of my respect right now. I can't explain it.
Thank you, Lou, for this awesome gift.
Things are gonna be different now.
Yeah. Like I grabbed it, it was like, oh! My life just changed.
This is just what you needed for you to get started on your third house. You'll be singing, someone driving a bond. Such authority. Might need that little tuning screwdriver.
Didn't go up with a properly tuned saw. Mark that down.
I have noted your request. Dude, one time, it was at a company, it was like we were at like a bonfire at like the owner's house, and we were around the fire. Yeah, somebody was like trying to mess with a chainsaw, and I'm like, hey, Jed, you got a tuning screwdriver on you? And he's just like, oh yeah, and he pulls it out of his pocket.
It's just, yep.
No, it's like, dude, are you serious? But it wasn't even a work setting, and it was in his jeans. He wasn't even wearing work clothes.
It's like he puts it in with his wallet. Like it's like
He
keys, wallet, tuning screwdriver.
Yeah, he literally pulled out of his jean pocket. He's like, oh yeah, here you go. It's like, why do you have this?
You think if I do have to climb, it'll be weird with me climbing with this?
Not at all.
Hey, Jake.
Yep.
Are you clipped in?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Now that you've got the clipboard, your real estate empire can really take off.
Needs like a clipboard spot. You have your line clearance certification?
It's the house drop.
Big Flav, will you take a picture of me from behind? That's gonna be my new picture.
You should have like some ridiculous scribbled drawings on the clipboard.
I'm playing hangman.
Tic-tac-toe with yourself. Is it good?
That's really good.
Are you any good at tuning these things, Randy?
I'm glad you asked. Yeah, I'm actually the best, but I'm too busy holding the clipboard, I can't do it.
Later, I'll be really good at it.
When you're done with that big flip, I'm going to need you over here. I need you to sign something. Right there. Sneaky move there, Big Flav. I can already tell it's going to be a cat's game. We're not playing tic-tac-toe.
Just doing those.
He's just
doing those S's from the 2000s.
I did. I have one on there.
You do?
Yeah, that was the first thing I wrote.
It's the millennial stamp.
They call them my people.
That's the first thing I would have done too. Wow. The second thing, I don't know if you've seen Superbad or not.
I got it. Oh, Lou with the power of the clipboard gave me the strength.
Without you, clipboard.
You're still on my lonely mind. I had to write it down on my clipboard. Well, watch the.
Oh, please don't write that down.
No, that's a freebie pass for me.
I'm just gonna make a note of it though.
Yeah, don't worry, it won't go into your permanent record. It's just a note.
Dude.
Yeah, no, the Clipboard King doesn't use as much battery as you guys, as you workers, you know?
As you blue collar guys.
Is it a G?
Yes. Yes, there is a G. It's the first one.
Is it?
Are you playing Hangman?
No. He's signing important papers. guilty.
It's guilty of treason.
No, it's not. It's one word.
That's a mech, right? That's a bot. That's a guess, right?
Oh, yeah, that is a guess.
It's gotta be guilty. It's a G and a E and an I.
It's guilty. It's just guilty.
I can't wait for you to start your YouTube channel and see the clipboard in every episode.
It's just gonna be me sitting there with a clipboard.
Welcome back.
It won't be interesting at all.
It's gonna be ASMR videos, like you'll tap on it with your fingernails, you'll snap the little metal thing.
It'll be an episode where you just hear pens scribbling on the clipboard.
Yeah.
Down, getting us time to clean up.
I can't wait to see my grade at the end of the day. Dude, you have a GoPro on your...
I didn't put it there.
Dude, Big Flav definitely gets a gold star today.
Oh yeah, dude. Clippy's got his own camera. Oh dang. Big Flav just really going for it all day today.
I love gold stars.
I just strive for them. 1, 2, 3.
People might be wondering why we didn't use the crane for this job. We've got the wires right there, limited drop. It's just like limited drop zone. We could set up right there, but there's no good drop zone for the crane on this, not for the brush. If this were like a really bad wood situation, I could see using the crane for the wood, but like there's really no setup here. There's no place to put the stuff down that would make sense. So that's why we're using the bucket truck instead of the crane.
Giving people a good explanation, that's a gold star.
You agree, Randy, with my...
I do. I think there's a lot at play here, but I think the power lines are just the big deterrent around that too.
I feel like it'd be such an awkward drop zone. Tidy up this side, and I'll go make a mess over here, and then they'll clean over here, and I'll make a mess over here. One of the many things I like about the bucket truck. Bucket truck is making this like a pretty chill removal. This would not be very chill to climb. It would be really annoying. It would be very tangly and long branches. These cedar branches, they're like half the weight of the fir branches in size. Cedar branches are really light.
Oh, Big Flav.
Need the rake.
Clipboard's getting used for that. Valiant attempts.
Is Big Flav too short for something?
No, he just didn't want to jump.
All right, well, with a rake, there's nothing he can't reach. See this guy with a pulser. You don't think that Lou like sent us these 3 clipboards? Like what if he sent like 7 clipboards to the landscapers, 3 to the tree guys, 9 to the iron workers, and he's secretly conspiring to rule them all?
the one clipboard to rule them all. Hey man, I need that wooden clipboard. It's powerful.
Clipboard of power. Like, maybe Lou is the lord of the clipboard. I had it good, and then the wind picked up and just messed it all up. Look at all these branches wrapped around each other. Gas. Good.
You say you want your clipboard too?
Thank you.
There's only enough room on this crew for one clipboard guy.
Figured that wasn't going anywhere.
Nice.
Just pitched hard. I might need another saw, that other top handle.
If you want a clipboard, stick it in.
above you all the time.
I'm here without you, Randy.
That's Big Flav every Monday when you're not here.
I'm here without you, Randy.
He's always like, "Hey Jake, what do you think Randy's thinking about right now?"
You think he's thinking about me like I'm thinking about him?
Do you think he's filming without us?
I almost did call you because I was thinking that it would be cool to do my YouTube channel with my houses, my trees at my house, my second house. I mean,
We know what you're talking about.
I have 2 houses. I just figured I'd throw that out there.
I have 2 houses and I almost have a YouTube channel. I almost have a video on my YouTube channel. The thing is though, if you actually make a YouTube video, how are you gonna talk about making YouTube videos?
Yeah, I know. It's like a catch-22.
You guys are doing a fine job keeping up, and the clipboarding has been outstanding.
I was gonna say, it all comes down to the planning.
Yeah, the site plan.
You should see the ground plan we have.
Sure.
Do you see the little truck Isaac just bought?
Oh yeah, Little Randy is what I told him to call it. Because I need a name for it. I call it Little Randy, you copycat.
That's crazy.
He DM'd me on Instagram. He goes, "You'll never guess what I just bought." I go, "A second house."
Which block do you want? There's only one that's got a sling on it right now. Well, unless there's the one.
Yeah, that little green one should be in the rigging line bag, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Big Flav, that's a point going against you not knowing exactly what block he wants. It's going on the clipboard.
Big Flav, you gotta do the drone and 2 cameras already.
Yeah, I will. Watch me.
You might be setting a world record too.
Yeah.
Most cameras ran simultaneously on a tree job. Dang it, I'm out of gas. I always get so worried, like I'm gonna break my fingers with the bucket truck, like grabbing the edge, you know?
Yeah.
But I've never, yeah, but I've never done it. Can I get my clipboard too?
Yeah.
I might be the first guy to top a tree with a clipboard. Dude, you got the paper, you got the GoPro. Yours is like...
There's something about you I'm gonna write down I like, for sure. There's something about looking...
Thank you.
Hold on, we gotta come up with a lowering plan. You know how it be.
Half-inch ISC block. This is the best block ever. Although I haven't used every block, I just really like this one. Half-inch rigging line. I do 90% of my rigging on half-inch. It's just so much easier to work with than a larger diameter, and really you can do a lot with half-inch rope. See if I can make this trick shot. Put the rope over there. Yep, got it.
Not long enough, yeah, the 20-foot orange sling, we're gonna need that guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna write that down. Wrong sling.
Wrong sling. Couldn't ocularly assess the butt of the tree.
Hey Randy, do you think if you walk this top up, it's like we're not gonna hit the wire?
Unless you just, I mean, you're in the bucket so you can get out of the way. If you put the rope a little higher.
I'm gonna cut some branches. I can put it like 10 feet higher.
You're pretty lucky I don't have the clipboard in my hand. Am I cool to go under?
Yeah, let me just document that.
I knew I was cool, I just want to hear you say it.
Yeah.
That's all I ever cared about. Does Jake think I'm cool? Am I too old to be hanging out with these guys?
Hanging out.
Yeah, I hang out with these guys like every day.
Yeah. I don't know if they're getting tired of my what did they say? Tired of this old head.
You unk.
I'm too old to be hanging out with you guys. Dude, we were born in the 1990s.
The 1900s?
Yeah.
Wait, what year? You were born in what, 98?
Yeah, 98. Are you trying to like take out loans for my name? Why are you asking all these questions?
Yeah.
What's your middle name?
Big Flav.
What's the last four on your social?
Yeah. Oh, cool. And what's the first six? Work's been really slow lately. I think buying another crane would really turn things around.
Yeah. People know you have 2 cranes. That's when the work really picks up.
Oh, this guy. He's got 2 cranes.
He's got 2 cranes, bro.
I'm gonna do my knots. Alright, ready for the plan? Yep. Textbook.
Nice. I'm going to write that down.
Yep. Top success.
Oh, man. Welcome to the Guinness Book of World Records, Randy.
Dude, We did it. We made a world record, guys. The only tree crew to ever successfully lower a top where all 3 team members were holding clipboards.
Not necessarily the thing I want to be remembered for, but... Alright, this next one, I'm going to run with my teeth. Trying to set a bunch of world records today.
I'm gonna cut my knot. Alright, I'm ready when you guys are.
Yeah, give me 20.
Yeah, I got my plan.
I'm not gonna clipboard it this time, only 1 world record today. That's dramatically smaller than the last one, huh?
Let me check my chart. Yeah, it's smaller.
Hey Jake.
Hold on. Accident report.
Yeah, you're gonna have to dock me. You gotta come down here and cut the like foot tip off of that thing.
Isn't it crazy how when you had the clipboard, you did it perfect, took away the clipboard, and everything just fell apart?
It's my turn.
I'm like, oh, the embarrassment.
The clipboard really does like.
No, it's a power move.
It feels bad.
Yeah, I should be able to get it now.
They got signs.
What do they have signs up?
Yeah, they're like they got like signs up like you know, like the Olympics. They say like 10.
Oh, like really?
Yeah.
Online.
I'd say good enough.
That'll do. Let's write something down on the clipboard about that.
Nice.
Hey, you don't have to come down here. I got this part.
What do you think is he doesn't really care about the grass, but I'm like, what do you think is easier if I lower like, I mean, I could probably lower like 10-foot chunks out of these back two. We've already got the rigging set up.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm all for rigging. Am I chipping as much wood as possible?
Dude, did you see that?
With the stick snag.
Did you see that?
That was awesome.
Dude, I can't believe I caught that. I caught it, look.
So, I mean, I'm not going to try to take anything away from that, but the only thing that would have been cooler is if you were holding the clipboard.
I've tried that with a few things, like a McRib. I've gotten a McRib like 3 times. Be like, maybe they're not that bad. They're so gross.
Well, it's like what we were talking about, the AM, PM, too much good stuff. The hamburgers are way better when we were younger.
Yeah, when I was a kid, those were like the best hamburgers. I thought they were. You know what's really bad is Arby's. I really don't like Arby's.
I literally don't understand how they're in business. Like,
dude, I don't either. It's so bad.
Ready? Yeah. Handsaw?
Yeah. Can I get the handsaw? Yeah, can I get the 500? Honestly, that was a lot of brush that we fit back there. That truck always surprises me.
I used my little dump truck to chip into this weekend, or this week so far. It was awesome. Like, I fit like a whole removal in a limo in there.
In your Isaac truck?
Okay. Oh man, where's my clipboard? That's a write-up.
It is funny. He's totally copying your setup, like hardcore.
Oh.
Thanks, dude. Alright. Lucky pull cord. Dude, this is just a clove hitch. Amazingly, this stick is just keeps going. Think I can get the chain back on in the bucket?
Oh, knocked her loose with that salami cut?
Yeah.
This is the perfect time to rip it. All right, we'll rip it up to the top. Because it's not a big deal if you have to go get it.
So I loosened the bar nuts first, and then and then I back the bar way back, and then I stand it up and I make sure it's in the sprocket, and then now it's on. I can see it's in the sprocket by spinning it. Now I'll tighten the bar. All right. I wonder how long that took. Logan, can you tell me how long did that take? Put the chain back on.
Take that plywood back when I remember we're grinding the stump before I want it.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I mean, this is probably a dumb thing to say, but like, one of the things I hate about stump grinding is you can't like, hey, you want to start grinding the stump? Like, it has to happen at the very end.
Yeah. How big are you going here?
Right in front of me. It's like 15 feet long.
Good, I gave it the perfect 15-foot wrap.
When I threw my chain, it's because I spun the chain right at the end of the curve when the log is pulling down on the chain. It's kind of tricky because you got to cut it fast and then stop spinning the chain so that you don't rip the chain up. That Avant is really shining on this job. As much as I'd love to see you manually moving that wood. Every morning you're like, can we please leave this?
It's just a nuisance on the job today.
It's a big green nuisance.
I feel like I know a lot of companies that are like that.
Oh, absolutely. Like, oh, we don't need that. Oh, that was weird. I was like, why is my bucket shaking? It was,
I was gonna say, yeah.
I was like, what? I was like, what? Boom failing? Big Flav, the stuff grinder, silly goose.
Flavor's gonna flave.
So the reaming is to keep that curve open so I can get through it. The angle helps it slide off, but it's hard to explain. Basically, you get so good to a point you can't even teach it, you know?
It's unteachable.
Unteachable.
The things he does. It's unteachable. explain it the other day. You like explained the snap cut or lap cut like it needs to be loose like a loose tooth.
Yeah. I've seen a lot of loose teeth from bar fights.
From bar, yeah, you're just avid bar fighter.
Bar fight winner, I would say.
Yeah.
This is like a hobby of mine. I'm just gonna cut like 4-foot chunks. I'm not gonna rig them down. Oh, dude, it's cold. There's like a cold breeze in here. You guys wouldn't get it. So let's block out. Be squishy down there.
Dude, that broke.
The block just explodes. Oh, man. Can you guys feel that? Like
Yeah,
the wind?
that's where I went, woo.
I'm warm, dude.
Feels like a sauna down here. I was in wood mode, man. Dude. I was in wood mode. No need to write the clipboard for this.
Oh, and it's warm? Warmed up already? I have the big Husky too, a longer I brought steak. It's all warm and nice now.
Somebody say steak?
Should eat a piece of steak so I have less room for pizza.
Yeah, he brought the pizza out, but there's none left. I love steak appetizer with my pizza.
I'll be okay. Thank you.
I forget. Randy, do you like pizza?
Oh, dude. Don't even get me started on a rant.
It was so funny when we were doing carnivore. I felt like you couldn't go one day without talking about pizza. Yeah, I can grind that.
Yeah.
This pizza needs a GoPro.
Nice.
Perfect. That's perfect. It is.
This might make a look cooler.
plywood back?
Plywood back, girl. Got the plywood back, girl.
Times I love this when I throw down that strap to the road.
Throw down that strap. Cause I got all the plywood back. It's got 4-wheel drive so it don't get stuck. Cause I got the plywood back.
Nice job today.
Yep, you too.
That was freaking impressive, dude.
Thanks. Those are some good pictures you got.
Thanks. That's what he does.
Is that what is that what you do?
Every now and then, yeah.
How long have you guys been working with him?
4 years or so?
4? Yeah.
Something like that?
Yeah, I bet. I mean, that was in tune. Like,
Oh, thanks. Well, it helps that we're talking the whole
Right.
time, you know?
Yeah.
That makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm sorry, he's yelling at me.
Yeah.
All right.
No, I'm glad you're happy.
Dude, I am beyond that.
That's awesome. Hey, thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Guys.
Isn't that good to
That's
meet you?
awesome,
Yeah,
man.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good
Up,
meeting you.
cross.
Thanks,
You'll have all the freaking photos edited, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I got them. I was like, oh, they're all edited and everything. That's crazy. All right, there's the tree. That's where it was. I did goof up the concrete a little bit with the stump grinder, but he's super cool about it. It had a bunch of cracks before, but it always makes me nervous. This bucket doesn't really love towing this thing. This is actually kind of a heavy setup. Probably right at 8,000 or 9,000 pounds with the trailer and the grinder. This truck doesn't love it, but this isn't far from my house. I don't know, man, I'm going through it this week. Last Thursday, I don't know what I did. We were doing just this, like, it was like a trimming job. It wasn't anything. We were in the bucket, and I kind of like stretched for this cut to reach it. And I just like, I didn't feel anything pop or anything, but I had the worst back pain. And today is Wednesday. That was last Thursday, and today's the first day I feel like 90% today. But I had a rough week. But then I like simultaneously got sick, and my back hurt. I don't usually have back pain. I twisted something. I don't know. Like I said, today's the first day in about a week where I feel pretty good. But that was a good day of tree work. Customers happy. I'm happy. Everybody had a good time. Thanks Lou for the clipboards. That was that made our day fun. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Please like and subscribe. We try to post videos every Saturday. So that job was $3,500, which is a little, you know, for all the equipment and everything, kind of a little bit on the cheaper side. It's kind of crazy though, because I started doing tree work in 2010, and back then we would do about 4,000 a day with 4 guys and no machines. So it's kind of crazy. I feel like the prices really haven't changed since I've started. They've pretty much been the same, but everything else has doubled in price though. It's kind of wild. You can just feel it with the economy, man. Like, it's not very good right now. People are not stoked to spend money on tree work. But this was nice because it was a job in my hometown, Enumclaw. I didn't have to try. I always try really hard to get the Enumclaw jobs because it's nice to stay local. That was a great day. That was fun. We did not take out the wires, so I was pretty happy about that. It was kind of risky doing that tree with 4 wires going around it. But overall, just a great day of tree work. It's always fun hanging out with you guys. Check out his Instagram, Trash Man or something. I'll put it on the screen. But anyways, yeah, as always, thank you for watching. Oh, well, let me know if you want me to cut your trees. I'm in Pierce and King County. I'm in Enumclaw, but I service Pierce and King County, Washington. So, all right, thanks guys.